Tamsoma Jyotirmay. Lead me from darkness to light. Lead me to the enlightenment from ignorance created by my actions, thoughts and understandings. Diwali's essence lies in this. Heartiest morning to all gathered here.
Everybody has shine on their faces. It is because Diwali is around the corner. This is Chahal,
Prabni,
Shagunpreet, and Rian from class 7th ABC wishing you all a sparkling Diwali. The festival Diwali illuminates the earth as well as the skies. It unifies every religion, every home and every heart. Diwali is undoubtedly one of the most famous festivals in India. Diwali is a time for celebration. It is a beautiful reminder of the story of light over darkness and good over evil. Good over evil. It is the time when we come together to spread happiness, love and positivity. Let's continue with the same spirit.
ईश्वर से ये प्रार्थना है कि इस दिव्य महोत्सव का रंग हम सबके जीवन के पन्नों को शांति, आनंद व खुशी से रंग दे।
let's seek the divine blessings through Sri Ram Stuti. So, I request you all to join your hands.